Hi everybody, welcome and welcome back. Today we're going to do some Auntie curls. We're going to first go ahead and add in some elastic QB foam, if you would call it. And so then we'll apply that to the hair because we want to make sure that it is damp so that it can be very, very porous when we go to add in the moisture itself. Then we'll add some hair cream of your choice, about a quarter size amount, and you just want to take it and put it in your hands, rub your hands together, and after doing that, you want to rub your hands through your hair. So not a huge amount because you don't want your hair too oily where it collects stuff. Then I'll go ahead and add an actual, more on the hair grease type of things. And I'll add that into the hair so that it can retain more moisture. Then I'll add some gel, about a quarter size amount, and I'll just pat it through my hair because this helps the curls to form. And the moisture allows for your hair not to get brittle based on the fact that you will be using gel. Then I'll go ahead and begin to curl my hair up. You'll see me twist my hair and then go ahead and curl it because it's just making it a lot curlier by me having done a bigger section. curls are finally all done. So I'll just go ahead and begin to style them, breaking some of those apart and enhancing the curl like you see here if I need to. Just go over a couple of them because I did this in 2 days. I did the top the night before because I didn't want the sides to get flat and I don't want to sleep in a bonnet. Here I'll just take some gel and I put it all around my edges. Oh, actually that was hair grease. So here I'll take some hair grease, put it around the edges. And then after I get dressed here, as you guys can see, I'm gonna go ahead and take me some gel. And now I'll put it over the edges. And the reason why for the hair grease or cream or moisturizer before any gel is because we do not want to cause our hair to get brittle. We want the hold without the brittleness. So it's more equals to a soft hold. So here I'm just kind of structuring my baby hair. And then I'll take, and as you guys can see, I'll kind of pull the hair forth without pulling it all the way to the end. And I'll just kind of place it over the baby hair to give a softer effect to the hairline. Then I'll add a little bit more gel right here. And what that will do is allow the hair to lay down better. See how we're kind of raking it, the baby hair, but we're kind of raking it gently, right? We're just semi-sculpting a little bit of baby hair. Now we'll kind of rake the hair out gently. We'll add a little bit more gel on the sideburn because that'll make it lengthier. That'll add length to it, but you only want to put it at the scalp, right on the sideburn, not through the hair that you spent all that time curling. And you just continue to break down the curls if that's what you discover you want to do. Now I seen a wig like this, and that's what made me want to do this particular hairstyle. I thought it was the cutest wig, and I figured that I could just do it on myself because sometimes when you order wigs, they're not what they're cracked up to be. See how much softer the hairline looks after I had added the cream and a little gel. Just make sure you add something that is moisturizing before you put gel in your hair, period. Even if you're doing a ponytail, I always like to make sure I have something moisturizing in my hair before I just start doing that. Well, then we'll just break up some more curls. Looks like we are all set, done, and good to go. Thanks for watching. God bless.